Hello, love. Jade Celi here, currently living in New Zealand. I was born and raised in South Florida. However, I've been living abroad for the past several years, working as a shaman. That's what I am. That's who we all are, actually. I am a healer for the healers. So I help people clear out their ancestral lineage, as well as I provide reactivation and recalibration back to the 13-strand DNA, which means that people can be realigned with their original etheric blueprint. What does that mean? It means I provide a space for them to come back into alignment with their soul purpose. I am a healer for the healers. At the virtual fairs, I will be offering my sound healing through my channeling, which is light language, Kalimba, and Didgeridoo. So I do all kinds of things for people, but that's what I will be offering through the fairs. If you want any readings, twin flame, past life, reading of your highest good, or if you have any questions you'd like to ask me, I will channel directly from above and below through me, through you, some responses, as well as pull cards and things of this nature. Perhaps I will provide you with some light codes via light language to assist you in all of your endeavors. I am very grateful to be a part of this healing network. Thank you all. Sending you guys so much love. You can find me at Jade Celi Spiritual Healing. That's one word on Instagram, or Jade Celi Spiritual Healing Facebook page, as well as jadeceli.com. You can also just friend me on Facebook under my personal account, Jade Celi. Glad to reconnect. One love. Earth love. Cosmic love. Self-love.